Inflation is one of the biggest threats to your retirement, eroding your purchasing power and making it harder to live comfortably. So, what are the most effective ways to hedge against inflation in your retirement plan? Let's dive into how you can protect your wealth and ensure that your retirement nest egg isn't wiped out by inflation. And stick with me until the end, because I'll be revealing why thousands of Americans are using one specific tool to safeguard their wealth in today's uncertain economic climate. Now, when it comes to inflation, most people think of stocks and bonds as the go-to investments. But with inflation pushing costs higher, these traditional investments often fail to keep pace. So, what's the solution? It's time to start thinking beyond the usual options. Real estate is one solid hedge against inflation. Historically, real estate has held its value, even during times of economic uncertainty. Property values generally rise with inflation, which means that if you own real estate, you're likely to see your investment appreciate over time. Rental income can also increase as inflation drives up rents. But real estate comes with its own challenges, like maintenance costs and liquidity issues. It's not as easy to access your money when you need it, and there's also the risk of market downturns. Another option people often consider is precious metals. Gold, in particular, has always been a safe haven during inflationary periods. The value of gold tends to rise when the dollar weakens, making it an attractive asset for preserving wealth. However, while gold can be a great hedge against inflation, many investors overlook the best way to hold gold for retirement purposes, through a gold IRA. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth from inflation, you should seriously consider a gold IRA. This is one of the most effective ways to preserve your wealth in the face of inflation. Unlike physical gold, which you would need to store and insure, a gold IRA allows you to hold gold in your retirement account. It's safe, tax-advantaged, and gives you a way to ensure your wealth keeps pace with inflation without worrying about security or storage concerns. If you want to learn why so many Americans are turning to gold IRAs as their go-to option for inflation protection, click the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, this guide will show you exactly how to make your money work harder for you in today's economy. Another great inflation hedge is Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, or TIPS. These are government bonds designed to keep pace with inflation. The principal value of TIPS rises with inflation, providing you with a guaranteed return. But here's the thing. TIPS offer relatively low returns compared to other investment options, especially in a low interest rate environment. And while they protect against inflation, they don't do much for growing your wealth. So, why is a gold IRA the best option for inflation protection? The primary reason is its ability to maintain value over time. Gold has been a store of value for centuries. When inflation drives up prices, the value of gold typically rises, ensuring that your wealth remains intact. And unlike other assets, gold isn't directly tied to stock market performance or the value of the dollar. This makes it a stable, reliable investment for your retirement. If you're looking to secure your retirement against inflation, a gold IRA is a smart move. If you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings, this is the ideal time to take control of your wealth. Make sure to get your free guide today by clicking the link in the description below. To wrap up, when it comes to hedging against inflation in your retirement plan, you need to think strategically. Real estate and TIPS can be part of the solution, but the most effective, safest, and simplest way is through a gold IRA. Gold has proven time and time again to be one of the best hedges against inflation, and a gold IRA gives you the chance to leverage that for your retirement. If you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, get that free guide and learn how gold IRAs are helping retirees protect their nest eggs. Thanks for watching.